Yes, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Why only 14 members? What about others? What were we discussing? What we have discussed in the last class? Yes, what we have discussed in the last class?
Ma'am, social psychologist, group of psychologists.
Everyone unmute your videos.
What are the
Daily I
principle
should
of
tell
group?
this. What are the principle of group then?
Primary,
Characteristic.
secondary group.
Characteristics. Primary group, secondary group. What that is? Primary group, secondary group.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
primary group
every
is
time.
a common one.
Wait. I understood what you have understand. What I mean to tell is primary group and secondary group comes under what heading? Which heading it comes? Types of groups,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So you
Yes,
should
ma'am.
tell first types of group. Under that you tell me primary and secondary group. No head, no tail, only the content you will tell of.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. What we have discussed in a primary group? What is a primary group?
Primary group is like family. It's a
Long
common
bond, common bond.
and long-lasting bond.
What about the secondary group?
Only the common identity is here.
It's no personal relationship, but only the identity is there. Not long-lasting bond. Only goal is there, ma'am.
That is the primary group. And secondary group, no physical proximity will be, and there will be increase in a size. Yes, what is the size in a primary group? 10 to 12 members. Whereas in a
Ma'am, primary group size is very small, ma'am. Like family, father, mother. Like,
that can be approximately from 10 to 12 members. Whereas in a secondary group, it will be increase in a size, increase in a members. Yes, in a secondary group, I said the example of relatives. There will be so many relatives, far relatives. Yes, not the number will be increased compared to the primary group. Okay, this is the one type of group. Next, we will see other types of group like formal group and informal group. What do you mean by formal group? Formal group for a formal purpose or for any professional purpose. It is not a personal group, only for a goal oriented purpose. The formal groups will be formed. They will have certain rules and regulation. Yes, and they will have a certain what goals that this has to be followed. Because of particular goal only the formal groups will be formed. And in a formal group, the members will be given a particular position, and according to their position the work will be done. Is that clear? The formal group, and
Yes,
each
ma'am.
member will have a particular position, particular role. Can you give an example of a formal group which is formed only for a formal purpose? Any example?
ma'am, in school, college, there a teacher group is there, ma'am, and in office, ma'am, office staff group.
Only for a formal purpose. Yes, only for there nothing personal will be discussed, only the formal thing and the goal oriented thing will be discussed. And as well as every member will be given a particular position, every member will have a particular role that has to be achieved in the formal group. Whereas in an informal group, what do you mean the informal? Opposite of formal. In informal group, no position will be given, no goal oriented will be there. Only simply they for an informal purpose, they will keep a group. That's all. and no particular position will be given, no particular rules and regulation, no goal oriented. Opposite of formal, like picnic party. Yes, suppose you have met with a person and you have talked for a few minutes formally, and you have arranged for a party or you have arranged for a meeting. That is an informal group. Okay, and formal group and the informal group, what is the difference? Formal is goal oriented, particular positions will be given, particular rules and regulations will be given. Okay, coming to the informal, no rules, no goals, only what formally they have met, or informally they have having the organization, no rules, no goals, anything. Is that clear, the formal and informal?
Yes, ma'am.
And next is a in group and out group. That is also a one type of group, in group and out group. Any idea about the in group and out group? In an in group, there will have a particular goal. In every group, there will be a goal. In group also, they will have a particular what goal, and also the particular rules and regulation. In an in group, all will be in a together feelings, like we feelings. Everyone together has to achieve the goal in a in group. And the out group, the people will not be in a in group, they will not be following any rules and regulations. Them we'll consider as a out group. The people who follow the rules and regulation, who follow the goals, is in group, and the people who doesn't follow the goals and the rules and regulation, we consider them as an out group. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
in a in group, all the members will follow the leader's order. Okay, whatever the leader or the person will be ordering all those things in a in group, everyone has to follow the member. And here also in group also, every members in a group will be given a different position. Okay, different roles will be given to the every member, and they have to follow the rules and regulation. They have to follow their position, and they to attain the goal. Ultimate will be the goal. सबको different different position दिया जाएगा, कोई teacher, कोई what other will be some accountants, like that. Every position will be given to the every member. Every member has to achieve their goal by following the rules and regulation. Is that clear? And what happened in the in group, as I said, they will have a we feeling. What do you mean by we feeling? W-E, we. In a group, in an in group, they will have a we feeling. What it means?
Ma'am, they feel like unity is there.
Yes, in group, they will have a unity. They will think that we are together. The togetherness will be felt in an in group. And when we feel a togetherness, what are the things will develop? As we have seen the personality, every man is different from each other. Every behavior is different from each other. Every attitude is different from each other. What happens? हम सब तो बोलते हैं we are we, but what happens? Can it be followed like we feelings? Can it be continued? Where there is more than 2 members or 3 members, what it will start? Jealousy, yes. Fightings, yes. Misunderstanding, gap in the communications, yes. No, these all are the things will start. This is a general things which happens if there is more than 2 members. Kitna bhi close you know, sometimes some misunderstanding, sometimes there will be a lack of communication, sometimes there will be a jealousy feeling. Yes, no, these all are the things will develop in a in group, because in other groups and all, they will not have such unity, they will not have such feelings. Whereas in an in group, they will have a we feeling. All together they have to achieve the goal. Because of that, all these circumstances takes place. And what the leader should do? The leader should avoid all those things. He should take care of this group. Then only it cannot be done like this. The jealousy feelings, all those things will not hamper the goal of a person. Okay, in achieving the goal, it should not hamper. So the leader has to take care of those things. Understood? For example, any sports group, any union team. Okay, these are the example for in group. And whereas to the out group, like any social group. Okay, in social group, what happens? There will be no we feelings, no rules and regulation, no leader. Okay, these are all the out groups. And what is the example? Social group, for a social group example is like there are so many social groups, UNESCO, UNICEF. These are the social group. In these social groups, we are there. Yes, no, in direct way or indirect way, we are into that group. We are following such rules and regulations. Is it not? कितना WHO का बातें हम लोग तो सुनते हैं. WHO का rules and regulation we follow. That is in direct way or in indirect way, we are into that group. Is that clear? The in group and out group difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Next, moving
Yes,
to
ma'am.
the next group is autochromatic and democratic group. Okay, have you heard about autochromatic and democratic? No, never heard. Autochromatic is nothing but the leader will have all the responsibility. The leader will be the superior, and everything power will be lies in the leader. That is nothing but autochromatic. Okay, democratic, all the rules and regulation, all the powers will lie in the people. Okay, that is the difference. Autochromatic, in autochromatic group, all the powers, all the rules and regulation, all the authorization, all the decisions will be left under the hands of leader. Whereas in a democratic, the decisions will be based on the people views. Okay, in a group, the who and all people are present, they should give their opinion, and then the decisions will be taken out. Is that clear?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
in autochromatic, as I said, the leader will be the superior and all the decision will be taken by the leader. Once if the leader quit, if the leaders quit the group, and all others will be left out. Suppose a leader ही सब कुछ decision लेता था, सब कुछ होता, अगर leader ही चला जाएगा तो और कौन decision लेगा? And that groups will collapse at that time. Okay, whereas in a democratic group, what happens? Every members will be the responsible, and every members will have a particular rules and regulation, so that the more power will be lies in the democratic group than the autochromatic group. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The autochromatic and the democratic. In autochromatic, the leader will be superior. All the powers lies in the hands of a leader, and if he quit the group, then all other members of the group will be collapsed. Okay. Whereas in a democratic, all the responsibility, all the decision will be lies in the members of the group, so that they can take a proper decision, and the powers will be lies throughout. Okay, the group will not collapse as soon as like autochromatic. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next group is a membership and the reference group. This is the last group, membership and the reference group. What do you mean by membership? You all have heard about the membership. What do you mean by that? मेंबरशिप नहीं देखा है किसी ग्रुप में मेंबरशिप बनना, या फिर किसी एजेंसी के साथ मेंबरशिप टाई अप करना, किसी कंपनी के साथ मेंबरशिप कार्ड बनाना. Yes, there are so many things. Membership in the means you are a member of that group, particular group. Yes, no, you have seen so many examples like Reliance, so many brands are there, no? वहां पर तुम जाते हो तो क्या करते हैं वहां पर? They give a membership card. Please take a membership card. Why? Once you be a member of that company, you will have some discount. Because of that, they make a membership card, right? So same thing, the membership is nothing but a person will be a member of that group. No other rules, no regulations, no goals. Only will be a member of that group. Okay. Whereas in a reference group, the person who are in a member group will refer the other person to be in a other group. Yes, reference group मतलब क्या? तुम किसी और को रेफर करोगे इस ग्रुप में आने के लिए या फिर इस मेंबरशिप पे आने के लिए. Suppose, take an example. You go to a shopping complex. Okay, a person will be selling a membership card of a Reliance. Okay, what he will tell, whether he is a direct owner who come and sells you. Direct owner आके तुम्हें सेल करता है membership card?
No, ma'am.
No, he is a person who working for it, and that is nothing but a reference. He is giving reference to you to take a membership of this particular brand. Yes, then the membership card will be taken by you, and the reference group is nothing but the person who is initiating you. who is trying to motivate you to take the membership. Is that clear? Membership and the reference.
Yes,
यही
ma'am.
होता है रेफरेंस ग्रुप में. क्या होता है, हम सब बहुत सारे ग्रुप में डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली रहते हैं. लाइक एज आई सेड यू, द WHO, यूनिसेफ, यूनेस्को, हम डायरेक्टली उसके ग्रुप में है क्या, वी डोंट नो, बट वी डू फॉलो द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन ऑफ दैट ग्रुप एज अ रेफरेंस ग्रुप. ओके, द रेफरेंस ग्रुप इज नथिंग बट इनडायरेक्टली यू आर इनटू दैट ग्रुप. Membership means you are directly involved in that group. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, any doubt? What are the groups we have seen? How many types of groups we have seen? First is the primary and secondary. Then
Formal and informal group.
formal and
Formal.
informal.
In
Formal.
group and out
group.
In group and out
Man.
group.
Out group.
Group and
Autochromatic and
Automatic and
democratic.
democracy.
Democratic.
Achromatic and democratic. Is that
Chromatic.
clear?
Membership and
Membership and
And reference group. Okay. Next, we will see the group development. What are the stages will take place in a group? Suppose we want to start a new group. Suppose you want to start a company. What are the stages? How you will form a group? And what are the things we will discuss? Okay. It was given by the group development was started by a psychologist in 1965. His name was Bruce Pruckman. Okay, BRUCE Pruckman, PRUCKMANS. Okay, he was the psychologist who started having a group development, and he was the one who started forming the stages. कैसे stages follow करने से एक group form हो सकता है, क्या क्या outcome हो सकता है, all those things he was the one who started in 1965. Okay, according to Bruce, he has started with a few stages. Like first is forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning or reforming. Forming means forming a group. Okay, you will first before starting a group or before starting any company or before starting any institution, what you want to do, you want to form, you want to combine the members. You will first start bringing the members, right? And you will prepare some rules and regulations, and while forming the members you will see certain, suppose you for overall you take an example of a college. Okay, before forming a college, what is main required? Students, the teachers, yes, then other faculties are required. What they will do before starting a college, they bring the students, they'll bring the teachers. And can they bring the teachers from anywhere? No, they by seeing their personalities, based on something they have to choose a teacher. ये नहीं कि कहीं पर भी कुछ भी कोई भी हो लेके आके टीचर बना सकते हैं. No, you can't. There are some, you have to, based on some interview, based on their skills, based on their some education, you have to form a group. Okay, is that clear? Forming, focusing, and discussing about the task. First, you will bring the members, then you will explain their task. Yes, after bringing the student, they will, as a chairman, what they will do? First, they will explain that you have to study these many things. These are the things, these are the exams will be conducted. These are the rules and regulation of the college. These are the rules and regulation of the university. Yes, before forming, all those things will be done. Even for the teachers also will get some rules and regulations. So this is the topic you have to teach. Within this time, you have to finish the syllabus. Okay, these are the things you will do in a forming. Just I am giving the example. Don't write the same examples. Forming का मतलब समझाने के लिए I am giving you example. Understood? Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is storming. What do you mean by storming? First is forming, next is storming. Storm. कभी नहीं सुने हो storming?
No, ma'am.
Storming in the sense, what happens once in the forming, the leader will explain all the things, क्या rules and regulations say, goals say, leader will explain. In a storming, if the students or if the group members have any questions, any tension, anything, they will ask to the leader. Okay, suppose the chairman have explained every rules and regulation to you people, you will ask the questions like कितना बजे से कितना बजे कॉलेज है, या फिर what is the exam timing, or what are the questions you get, what are the questions arises in you people or in members of the group, that will be asked to the leader. That is nothing but storming. In that, what happened? Some members will ask a question, some members will remain silent. Can everyone ask the questions? No. जिसको जरूरत है, जिसको जानना है, he will ask. Who doesn't want, he will keep quiet. This is the storming. The members of the group will ask the questions, whatever in their mind, to clear out, okay, from the leader. That is nothing but storming. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, coming to norming. Norming. Norming means rules and regulations. Okay. Once the students have come, all the rules and regulations have been explained, and storming also takes place. जो भी questions था students के अंदर, they have also asked. Next is a norming. What happens in a norming? The rules and regulations explained by the leader will be followed by the other group of members. They start cooperating with the rules and regulations. They will start following the rules and regulations in a norming. Is that clear? And
Yes,
by
ma'am.
following the rules and regulations, जब रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन तुम्हें समझाया जाता है कि हाँ इतना टाइम से इतना टाइम तुम्हें कॉलेज आना है, ये सब, ये लंच आवर में ये करना है, कॉलेज टाइम में ये करना है, व्हाट हैपेंस? You will start following it. Yes, no other options. You will start following it. Then you will have a close relationship with others of the college. Yes, जब rules follow करते हैं, some other members will come to your closeness, other relationship will be developed. Yes or no? Same
Yes,
thing
ma'am.
in a group also. While following the rules and regulations, they will cooperate with the other members in a group, and they will start following the rules and regulations. Is that clear, norming?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, coming to the performing. What do you mean by performing? See, I am giving the example of college as well as the real example of the group. Okay, so that you relate it and you can understand. What do you mean by performing? Performing, once the rules and regulation, everything over, everything, now group is formed, you perform, you will you will work on it, you will follow the rules and regulation, and the main goal will be to reach the main goal. Yes, the main intention of the members of the group will be to reach the goal. The same thing, what you are now coming to the college wise, the main goal will be to write the exam, to score good marks. You will start performing on that. You will start listening to the class, you will start performing some tests. Yes, जो भी test will be given, you will perform on that. That is nothing but performing. जो भी तुम्हें सिखाया जाएगा, you will perform on that. Is that clear? Next is the adjourning. Adjourning means reforming. Adjourning. Adjourning or reforming. What happens once the performing is done? The performing will be, the outcome will be highly productive. Suppose तुमने सब पढ़ लिया, एक exam भी हो गया, everything is done, results also come out. What happens in a reforming? The leader should appreciate. Yes, after once the result is come, the teachers has to appreciate, the parents have to appreciate. The reforming is nothing but appreciation for your work. Okay, in coming to the group, once the goal is achieved, once the outcome has come, the leader has to appreciate the group members for their performance, and they should give a recognition. What do you mean by recognition? Either a higher post or giving some money in the form of recognition, or giving some certificate in a form of recognition. Is that clear? Understood? Yes.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
are the stages? What are the stages we have discussed?
Forming, storming,
Forming is
nothing but
forming a group.
select the
Based on
teachers.
some personality, by checking all those things, you will form a group, and you will focus on, you will give a particular position to the everyone, you will give a particular task to everyone. That is nothing but forming. Next, coming to the storming. What you
Storming.
will do in a storming? The members of the group will ask their questions. They will arise some questions. What has to be done? What rules has to be followed? Whatever the questions they have, they will ask to the leader. Next, coming to the norming, the certain rules and regulations which are being formed, that will be cooperated and will be developed, that will help to develop a relationship within the members of a group, and they will start following the rules and regulation. Once they follow the rules and regulation, next they will perform. Yes, they will achieve the goal through the performing. Then at last, what has to be done? Reforming or adjourning based on their performance, based on their outcome. The recognition has to given to the participant of that group. And in a reforming, the task will be completed. Yes, no, once the task is completed, only you can give a recognition. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Here ends with your developmental psychology. Understood? Any questions in developmental psychology? Yes, go back, go through that previous things. अगर developmental psychology में कुछ भी, if you feel any difficulty, let me know. What are the things we have discussed in developmental psychology? Let us summarize the whole chapter. Yes, everyone. क्या क्या डिस्कस किए थे डेवलपमेंटल साइकोलॉजी में फ्रॉम फर्स्ट? Without opening book, you will not come to know. Huh? Yes. Tell what the things we have discussed in developmental psychology at first. From where we have started?
Divided into age.
Huh?
Infant, child, preschooler.
Infant child, no
schooler.
heading, no head, no tail. The same thing which I have told you before also. The vulnerable
Based on
infants.
age.
The vulnerable children. Their psychology we have seen. Then
Vulnerable
next,
people.
what we have discussed? Vulnerable people, children's and vulnerable older age peoples. We have seen sick children, women. Then
Physically challenged.
Care of vulnerable people. Ma'am, psychology of vulnerable people.
Psychology of vulnerable people, psychology of vulnerable children. Then we have seen a psychology of groups. Yes, in a different group, what will be the psychology, what will the mentality? We have in that psychology of group, we have seen the principles, characteristics, then and we have seen the different types of psychological groups. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, in our next class, in our tomorrow's class, we will start with the next chapter. What is the next unit?
Ma'am, tomorrow test is there. Psychology.
Psychology test.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the
Routine.
personality, first step. I didn't see routine. Okay, personality test you can take. Is that clear? Developmental psychology will take later on. You take the test of personality. Okay, I have to prepare question paper. Full personality. Okay. No fill in the blanks, no true or false, nothing. Only 5 marks and 10 marks question.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me see what you have understood. And Joe content, whatever content I have given, only if you write that much, you will not get 5 marks or 10 marks. You understand the content, try to elaborate the content. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow is exam, no? After that, in a Wednesday class, we will start with the next unit, mental hygiene. Okay? Mental hygiene, and related to that, we will see next class. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see you all on Wednesday and do well in your exam. Everyone read the personality whole chapter. Is that clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.